Before you do anything with this machine, it is recommended to run calibration. Now, calibration ensures accurate weight detection by the machine. That's why it's important when you're running this calibration, you run it without anything inside, so that it can detect the weight moving forward. So you switch off the power, then you switch on the power again. After that, you hold the temp and delay and key simultaneously for 3 seconds. After that, the machine enters the CB mode. You press the start-stop button. So you have to be patient. Let it just rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, and it usually takes 3 minutes. Then after that, you will have calibrated your machine and your machine will be ready to use. So you see it's rotating, as you can see. Let's see. Okay. Then now anti-clockwise. That's it, you can hear the beep. Now the machine is ready for use. That's it, guys. Your Samsung Ecobubble 8 kg front load washing machine is now ready for use. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. Now if you found it helpful, kindly like and share with your friends so they can also benefit. Also, you can subscribe to my channel so you get to know when I post more gadget videos. Until then, in the next video, bye bye.